Whoa, what is that?
What is that?
So big and shiny.
So this is the exhaust for the daddy car.
Oh yeah?
Can we go in the car?
Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back.
Yeah, welcome back. Say welcome.
Welcome back. Welcome back.
We're here back in John's garage. John's house. John's garage.
And we're fixing his car.
Exactly. Damn, look, future vlogger right here. So, what are we doing today, Jordan?
We're gonna fix daddy's car and put new parts.
Oh yeah, look at that. What kind of parts are we putting?
Exhaust is.
Oh yeah. You guys heard that right from Jordan. We're putting on new exhaust on John's WRX non-STI. Just putting it out there. Non-STI. So we're gonna put on the, yeah, see, non-STI. Say non-STI.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. So he's got this this Tomei exhaust. Pretty cool, single exit. He didn't go dual, which is lame, but I mean, I guess, you know. What can you do? Don't be a pussy. Warm it up. I did mine hot as fuck, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck you then, I guess. Give your time at the dealership to let cars cool down so it doesn't hurt you anymore? No.
Exactly. I'm just kidding. You don't have to warm it up. Go. It's actually better, so it's not hot. Well, we'll just add like, I'll add a sound like. This is how it sounds before. That's how it sounds before, and then we'll show you guys the after once he gets the Tomei exit. Let's get a look under car. Let's see what a WRX non-STI looks under. Oh, dude, this came with BC Racing coilover. That's even better than the fucking stock. What the hell? Damn. You're stuck? For a quick second, dude. Need a flashlight? You sure? Here, take it. Promise it up. It's a great quality flashlight. Check that out. Told you. So basically what we got going on here is John can't get this rubber hanger off. Don't know why.
Push my back right there. Right there. Hard. To your left foot.
Then bring this up. Bring this one up. Up there.
Right.
That's how we do it. Exercise with this.
Stock exhaust for sale. 500 or best offer. Hell yeah. It's like a Type R, John.
I don't know. It'll probably be like this.
No, it's gonna go in more.
Like this?
Yeah. No, out. You'll see.
Like this? How low is it gonna hang?
She's gonna be hanging right there.
Right there.
No hangers.
It'll be like this, probably.
It's gonna sound like
Or you
shit.
could just do it like this. It's gonna sound like. That'd be tight as fuck too.
I know,
I don't know. I guess we'll just watch John.
huh? He's the expert, but he can't get the hangers off.
Oh, he's reading the instructions. Did you look
Oh.
at that? He's reading the.
Real text, read instructions.
So we're under John's car. Got this piece connected right here. I don't know what you want to call it. This, I guess, what would you call this? Mid pipe?
Yeah.
No, this would be like the front. Well, I guess it's a mid pipe, but it comes in 3 pieces. So I don't know. We're connecting it. John's getting stuck as he comes into the car because of his big old 40-inch chest.
So massive.
No, that's not how it goes. He said it comes out the left side.
It goes out there. No, yeah, the outside.
Like, no, so then you were right. What are you talking about?
I'm trying to think. I can't really think. Like this?
Nigga, it's not rocket science. Bring the pipe.
Like this.
There you go.
Oh my god. What the fuck up,
Tomei. Turn it around. What the fuck, bro? What's up with your fucking whack ass exhaust piping, man?
Where does he?
You need to put it in here first.
That's it right there. Oh, not right now, motherfucker.
Why don't you tell me? Yeah, get the springs.
Oh shit. Sorry.
Dude, watch out with my camera, bro. Easier. Are you gonna go out?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Niggas.
Two hours later.
John, what do you say?
Don't rev it, just let it cold start. Not bad.
Rev it good, a good rev.
Go higher.
Go higher.
Not bad.
Hey, that's so much smoke. So what happened, John? Talk to the people. What happened?
Yeah, put the donut gasket back.
So John needs to put the donut gasket back on because he fucked up. Of course.
Cars are so hard, dude.
Course. Alright, well, that's it for this one. I'm leaving. John's gonna finish up putting the gasket back on. Hopefully he's able to. And then I'll just see it another day. I mean, I heard it basically. It just needs that gasket. That's about it. Once he lowers it and then he goes and drives it, see how it runs. But I mean, doing pretty good so far for being a noob, you know. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you next one. How a real man car sounds like, bud. What'd you say? What'd you say? That's what I thought. You're lucky I'm leaving. Oh. Oh. Ah! Hey, watch the fuck out. See you guys later.
Hey, that night I couldn't.